Co-office jong Range Forest Officer Sngi Social Forestry Range hakajinga tre ringkat baga St. Joseph Academy of Nursing umtro hakasantarik ujilliu kila Rakhe kerpang ye Sngi jong ka Mariang halor kapang solution to beat plastic pollution da ka pelong ye kajing thung ding bat Pynkhuid ye ka Mariang. Nakaliang katanat forest kila pelong ye kajing thung ye kiten riding ha Sawdong ka Shillong umtro bat ye shimentaru ha kajing Pynkhuid ru ye kawa umtro bat tam ru iki plastic na Sawdong Sawkun jong katiga Shillong ha kabakut katiga program katanat fishery department kala pelat sembai dokha ha kawa umtro. Hakani Sngi lawan bani shimentalang do menteri kejala bapet ye Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department uba ELHEC kumukongsan hakajinga don ringkat lang uba bijoy lingdo MFS Division Forest Officer North Khasinews Social Forestry Division Riboy District kokong M Kong Jiliu Superintendent of Fisheries Department Riboy Kong B Rani Principal ka St. Joseph Academy of Nursing ki khana puli ka St. Joseph Academy of Nursing ba S ding do rang ba shnong ko umtro ki seng samla shnong umtro seng long kami bat kiwe kiriu pat pa.
The second of May. We all are friends of the 25 delegations. We went to Bhutan. You not believe when we went to Bhutan, I took one tree from Meghalaya to plant one tree on my birthday at Bhutan. So that is called a self-awareness. Any one of you, your birthday, your parents' anniversary, or any anniversary, you can plant one tree to protect the mother earth. Kumno paniada ika mayroon na kujongi. Ito kam ika nika self-awareness. That is we need in our life. But create ika awareness. Today we are giving awareness to all of you. What important is the self-awareness. Lagi practice. How we are practice ourselves. Kumno gi practice. I have taken the tree from Shillong to the overseas. Being seperti cikawai penegari to plant one tree plantations there at the Buddha Mount. When we Buddha Mount, we tried out beautiful Buddha Mount. I got an opportunity and thanks God that God has sent me, took me there and we have planted a tree. This is called the self-awareness. Before we give awareness to everyone, but very important in our life, in a day-to-day life, we have to have an organize in ourselves. But beautiful thing which we have done today is we have started our program dot at 9 o'clock, which we have already scheduled our time. All of us, we have been assembled here before the scheduled time. So I congratulate the organizers, the B-Lindo, the St. Joseph Nursing Academy for organizing all the program, very disciplined and particularly punctuality. As a self-awareness we call this. Today we are all assembled here with one goal and one mission: how to protect our Mother Earth. God has been very kind to us. He has given us a beautiful hill station, a beautiful state that we can live in, we can breathe, breathing our day-to-day life. God really has blessed to all of us. You not believe when I was Water Resources Minister, when I have taken this land here, the time before that time, I have got the scheme from the Tribal Ministry right from here till to another 3-4 kilometers to construct the boat retreating wall of this Waputro. Boat. One. Ini